The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Tesla Model S are famously impossible to ignore. This walkthrough shows how to silence them with BeepAway. We'll use a Tesla Model S as our example in this walkthrough. The exact same steps work on any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. BeepAway generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The home page shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Tesla. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. BeepAway supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Model S. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Tesla Model S is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Tesla Model S, then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so BeepAway can tailor the config file. On a Tesla, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. BeepAway is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Tesla Model S 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Tesla Model S 2025 ISA config file personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Tesla Model S 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like every new Tesla, your 2025 Model S comes with intelligent speed assist that issues warning beeps whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms itself every time you start the car and often relies on outdated or misread speed signs, making the constant beeping a real frustration. BeepAway provides a permanent solution to silence these warning beeps while ensuring all other car functions remain completely normal. The configuration loads directly from your USB stick. BeepAway does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the stick at any time, and your factory warning sounds will return. While we used a Tesla Model S in this demonstration, the same BeepAway steps apply to any supported car. Owners of many different brands encounter the exact same ISA warning beep problem. If you drive a 2025 Tesla Model S, you are certainly not alone. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Many discussions highlight the frustrating beeps even on slight overspeeds, the system resetting with every ignition cycle, and menus that only offer a temporary mute. This is precisely why so many people are seeking a lasting solution, and we'll address a few common questions next. BeepAway loads a reversible configuration from the USB while the stick is plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car returns to its factory settings. Nothing is permanently rewritten. If warranty terms are critical for your lease or country, please review your own specific documentation. Yes, Tesla Model S owners follow the same straightforward beep-away process you just watched. Enter your VIN on beepaway.com to confirm compatibility before you place your order. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes at home. No dealer visit, no special coding tools, and no unusual cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from beepaway. Simply search Google for beepaway or go straight to beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.